How to redeem a Roblox gift card. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in today's video we will learn how we can redeem a Roblox gift card. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your browser, log in into roblox.com. So once you're logged in into your account, you will land on this page. Now to redeem your Roblox gift card, navigate to the Roblox icon at the top right corner. Here you have an option to redeem your Roblox code. Click on it. Then you'll be taken into this card. Here it says enter your gift card, virtual item or promo code below. So in this text box, you have to enter the code from your gift card. Make sure you type in the correct gift card code. Once done, click on redeem. After that, if successful, you will see a message like credit successfully redeemed. And that's how you can redeem your Roblox gift card or gift code. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.